Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on Kapwing for beginners. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to create an account on Kapwing. We will also walk you through the interface and show you how to create your own video using the editor and how to download it as well. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. To use Kapwing Video Editor for your project, you need an account on it. So, to create an account, first click on the Sign In button at the top right corner or click this Get Started button. This is the sign up page. Here you can continue with your Google or Facebook account, or you can also use your email address. Here we are continuing with the email option. Enter your email ID here and then click on the Continue with Email button. Now go to your email inbox, open the mail you have received, copy the email verification code and paste it here, and then click on the Continue with Login Code button. After successfully signing up, you will be redirected to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. On the top right corner, below the Kapwing logo, you will see your workspace and the total number of members in this workspace. If you want to add a new member to your workspace, click on the Add Members button. A pop-up window will open and from here, you can invite others to your workspace. This is the invitation URL of your workspace. Copy it and you can share it with whomever you want to add to your workspace. You can also invite others by using their email. Enter their email IDs here and then click on the Next button. If you want to rename your workspace, you can rename it here. And you can also add a logo to your workspace. And then finally, click on the Done button. You can use this new folder icon to create a new folder for your workspace so that you can easily organize your workspace. If someone has invited you to their workspace, you can see it here under the Shared with Me tab. Here in the left sidebar, you will see some other tabs like Templates, Tools, Pricing, Resources, and Referrals and Credits. You can use this Workspace Settings tab to organize and manage your workspace. On the top right side of the page, you will see your membership level, and from here you can also upgrade your plan. If you click on the profile icon on the top right corner, a pop-up window will open. And here you will see your name and email address. You can also make changes to them here. Scroll down and from here you can set the privacy for your workspace content and projects. And in the last of this pop-up page, from here you can delete your Kapwing account. But remember that once you delete your account, you will not be able to recover your projects and workspace content, so be sure to download all your projects before deleting your account. So this was all about the basics of the Kapwing platform. Now let's get started on creating a project and editing videos. To start editing a video, we need to create a project for it. To do so, click on the Create New Project button and you will be redirected to the editor page. If you want to edit your own video, click here to upload it, or you can also drag and drop your video here. If you want to edit a video from YouTube or from any other website, then just copy the URL of that video and paste it here. Kapwing will fetch the video and add it to this editor page. And from here, you can also upload your video from Google Drive or Google Photos. If you want to start the editing process from scratch, then from here you can use the blank canvas and you can use resolutions like 21:9, 16:9, 1:1, 4:5 or 9:16. Here we are continuing with the HD resolution, that is 16:9. So we have the blank canvas here and now you have to use this left side toolbar to add content like videos, images, text, audios, and others depending on your requirements. Let's try adding videos. Click on the Videos tab. You can use this search bar to search through millions of free stock videos from Pexels and Pixabay to add to your Kapwing project, or you can choose from a preset below. Once you have found a suitable stock video, click on it and it will be added to your project. This is called the timeline of the project. You can move the playhead along the timeline and the scene will change accordingly. Here you can see the current playhead time and the total length of the footage. Holding the playhead at the end of the clip will give you the option to trim the clip's length. You can use this slider to zoom in or zoom out the timeline. By clicking on the video clip in the timeline, you will see some advanced editing options for the clip in the right side of the video preview panel. If you want to add a new video or image to your project, first move the playhead to the timestamp at which you want to add it, and then browse it from the left sidebar and then click on it. It will be added to your timeline in a new layer. You can drag and move it to your desired place in the timeline, and you can also move it to the same layer of the previous one. You can crop its length by holding its edges, and if you overlap it on the previous clip, it will get trimmed automatically. Now let's add some text to our project. Click on the text tab in the left sidebar. Use this Add Text button or select from the below preset text styles. Text will be added to the timeline in the new layer. Double click on it and then the text will get highlighted. Delete the pseudo text and start typing your own text. After adding the text, you can customize it from the right sidebar using these options like font, size, color, alignment, and others. Now let's add some audio to our project. Click on the Audio tab in the left sidebar. From here you can upload your audio or use this Record button to start recording a voiceover. Or else scroll down and select a background music from the stock list and it will be added to the timeline. Drag it to the desired position, and if the audio length is longer than the footage, drag it from the corners to fit the footage duration. Now we are done with adding all the essential content to our video. If you want to add more content to your video, you can continue with this editing process. And once you're done with the editing, you can finally click on this play button to watch a preview of your video. Once you're satisfied with all the edits that you have done on the video, click on the Export Project button on the top right corner here. Now you need to select the video's format, resolution, and compression level. And you will also see the estimated file size here. And then finally click on the Export as MP4 button at the bottom right side of the page. And your video will start exporting. It may take some time depending on your video's length. Once it is successfully exported, you can use this Download File button to download it. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to use Kapwing Video Editor. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.